Hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this particular video, we're gonna see how to remove background from images with the help of Python. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, I will show you our base image. So this is gonna be our base image, and we're gonna convert this image and remove the background for this particular image. I will show you the final output. So this will be our final output. You can see all the background from this image is removed successfully, and this particular JPG file is successfully converted to this PNG file. So the same we're gonna do in this particular video. So right now I am in my Google Colab notebook. Let's import the image for this particular section. So you can just go to your file explorer and you can just drag and drop your file here. It will automatically load the particular file. It will take some time. So my file is successfully loaded. Then for this particular video, we will use remove background library from Python. So first we have to install it. So we have to use command pip install remove background. So this particular command will install the remove background library in our Google Colab instance. You can see our library successfully installed. Let's import the necessary libraries. We have to import this remove function from this remove background library, and we will need one more library to load for loading the images and for saving the image. We need this PIL library. So we have successfully imported all these two libraries. Now we will specify the path for our input file. So let's specify input path. Just go to your image here, click on these three dots and click on this copy path icon, and then just paste it here. It will copy the path for this particular image, and we will need output path as well. So output path, our output path will be same. I will just change the name of the image as output.jpg. Sorry, output.png, because we are converting this JPG file into PNG. So I have successfully created two variables. For first variable, I have kept the path as an input path, and for second variable, I kept the path as an output path. I'm just waiting for this function to get finished. Yeah. So now we have successfully given the paths. So let's import the image. First, let's type as input. So in input variable, we use image function from below to open the image, and in that we will give path of the input image. Okay, so once you give path of the input image, now we have to remove the background. For that, we will create one variable as an output, and in this particular variable we will save our output image. We will use this remove function from the remove background library and will pass the above input image here. So what it will do, it will remove the background from this particular image, and it will save in this particular variable, and it will take some time. It will download one pre-trained model, and then it will perform the necessary operations, and then it will give you the final output. So let's save our output. So we have to use output dot save, and you have to provide the output path. So this particular method will save our output image as a PNG file. Over here you will see the image here. If you are not seeing an image here, just go and refresh here. You will see the output image. Again, I will show you the input image to you. This is our input image. You can see this was our input image, and I will show you output image. So this is our output image. You can see we have successfully removed the background for this particular image with the help of Python. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you want code for this particular section, in the comment section just write code. I will provide you the link to the code. That's it for this video. We'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.